Hey, man. We got an Ezgo TXT here, gas car. I wanted to give y'all a little quick tip, man. Not a troubleshoot video, just a quick tip. Well, actually, yeah, it is a troubleshooting, but it ain't. These clutches here are bad for sticking on the top end. And sometimes it's hard to get a clutch form or hard to get a good clutch. So what we come up with is if you take the bolt out of the clutch, that actually mounts the clutch on, bolt the clutch on here. If you see it, I've added a washer here on the clutch. What it does is these clutches normally stick all the way out, so when you go to take off, it jumps, the car jumps. So if you'll take a washer and actually go over the sleeve inside the clutch where it presses the clutch in a little bit from the top, then the car would not jump no more because you'll get it past the sticking part of it. Because I know they're bad for that, man. So anytime you can save some money by adding a little washer or adding something cheap, I do that, man. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post some more.